This is the part 1 of learning InShot video editing from beginner to pro level. I started this journey to teach you everything about InShot, and we will be explaining everything practically. So this is the part 1 of our InShot learning series. In this video, we will learn how to install InShot video editor, how to open InShot application for the first time, and finally, I will explain the basic interface introduction to you. So now let's not waste time on talking and practically learn everything about InShot application.
First of all, come to Play Store and simply click on the search icon here and search for InShot Video Editor and simply click on the enter button. And this page will come. Simply install the InShot application. I have already installed InShot application, that's why it is showing me open. So when you installed your InShot application, then simply click on open and you will open the InShot application. When you opened InShot, this is the interface. First of all, here we have the InShot logo, then here we have the pro version joining option, and at the left side we have the settings option. If you click here, the first option is InShot Premium. As I said, this is the pro version joining option. Then sign in for store purchases. These settings are not that much important. Click on the video settings. Here, when you are exporting your video, the video resolution is here. You want to export it in 720 or in 1080 or in 1080. Then here we have the clear cache option, which is removing the cache from your InShot application. And here we have the theme, which is like this. You can use a bunch of themes, like different kind of themes. The interface is gonna look like that. Look at it. For example, I'm selecting this one, then selecting this one, and then selecting this one. I think this one is so great. And then here we have the another option, custom. Here you can use these custom themes, custom backgrounds like these. And then we have the animations, like you can apply them on your InShot interface. Simply click on it, and then here we have the create new option. At this area you can make your new project, and you can see and you can work on your old projects. The first one is the video option. If you click here, the first one is the new option. If you click on new, you can create a new project. We will go deep down to this option in the next video. And if you click on this draft, here are the old projects you have worked on them. Then we have the photo option here. This is the photo option. Here you can edit the photo. For example, as you can see, here are my photos. Simply click on them and edit them. Again, I'm telling we will go deep down to this to these options. Then we have the collage option here, like this. You can use a different kind of collage, like grid option here, like this one, or so much other ones. We will go deep down to these options. And then here we have the what's new option. Here are different kind of beautiful effects that are created from InShot company. Simply click on the all option here. When you clicked there, here are a bunch of effects created from the InShot company. As you can see, you can just simply download them. Click on the download option here, like I'm downloading this one. And then here we have the categories, like popular effects, love, pro, effect, aesthetic, girlish, vlog, and so much others. And here at the bottom side, here we have three options. The first one is the emoji. As you can see here, we have a bunch of effects. Then here we have the T option, which provides the fonts for us. Like as you can see, here are a bunch of fonts completely for free. Just simply download them and use them in your videos. Click on the categories like display, basic, handwriting, fancy, typewriter, and so on. And here you can select the language, like in which language do you want the fonts. And the third option here is the profile option. Here are the things you downloaded from the InShot application. Like we recently downloaded the sweet cookies, and here it is showing to me here. And also here are the fonts I have downloaded from the InShot application. So this was the first video of InShot application. I hope you might have liked the video and subscribed the channel.